Electricity runs the world. The transformative journey towards digitalization of electricity network began with the introduction of smart meters in residential areas and continued to spread towards other equipment or network elements. Despite the enormous advantages of smart grids, the complexity of their elements and equipment are much greater than the ones used in traditional electrical networks, and as a leading technological center in smart grids-related services, TECNALIA has been helping and empowering utilities and manufacturers to reach their goals for an efficient digitalization of electricity network, from residential environment, primary and secondary substations, distributed generation environments to control centers. TECNALIA develops R&D projects for smart grids and provides consultancy and laboratory testing services for both evaluation of prototypes and certification of final products. The smartization of the processes and equipment due to the introduction of software and communications generated new challenges in the conformity evaluation of the equipment, and especially in ensuring functionality and interoperability. This is due to three main reasons. 1. The software of each element can be updated remotely, improving but also changing the functionalities of these elements. 2. The software can allow functionalities adapted to the casuistry and the environment, multiplying the possible uses of each element. 3. Not to mention the implementation of cybersecurity. Only an effective evaluation of each element ensures reliability. TECNALIA can help you with all of this and more. TECNALIA develops testing tools that are easy to use, based on scripts, composed of the software interface and auxiliary devices that help emulate the conditions in which a device can work. These tools can ensure reliability, scalability, and interoperability of the technology, as well as solve communication problems in the field. We provide testing tools for the conformity assessment of all the smart grid equipment, starting from chipsets, meters, and concentrators, with Prime PLC communication protocol, testing tool for conformance with the DLMS data protocol functionality of meters for many different countries such as Spain, Saudi Arabia, Portugal, and Lebanon. Testing tools for conformance with the data exchange between data concentrator and meters and data concentrator and head-end system. Testing tool for conformance of the 61850 data protocol functionality for IEDs. Testing tool for conformance of the 61850 data protocol functionality for gateways. Testing tool for conformance of the functionality of the protection. Testing tool for assuring the correct data exchange in case of bad quality networks. Testing tool for cybersecurity evaluation according to 62443 and client requirements. TECNALIA has developed testing tools for many industry leaders in the deployment of smart grids.